We're gonna make peanut butter and jelly overnight oats. If you guys have not tried overnight oats, everybody always says this to me, and I was the same way. They're like, I don't think I would like that, and then they try it and they're like, I'm obsessed with these, they're so good. I feel like overnight oats are better because they're just like really creamy. So this peanut butter jelly recipe is like a lower fat version. I think we'll probably put some of the calories and stuff down below for you guys because you always ask. But I just have some berries that I blended. I just blended them in my blender. And I've been liking doing this better because you get like this really delicious kind of like jam situation going on. So I always just blend however many berries I'm gonna use. I just blended 2 cups of berries. I'm gonna put the rest on top. But we're gonna add 2/3 of a cup of oats into here, and I have this little like mason jar filler. This thing comes in so handy because or else you just spill it kind of everywhere. So I got 2/3 cup of oats, and then I just like to add a tablespoon of maple syrup for flavor. You can add 2 tablespoons if you want it a bit sweeter, or you could add some stevia. And then I'm gonna add a tablespoon of chia seeds, which are great for omega-3s, and they also kind of help it taste a bit like jam because it makes everything kind of bind together, and it's really, really yummy. And then I'm gonna add in 2 tablespoons of PB, well this is PB and Me. This is the one that I get. It's like an organic one. So I add 2 tablespoons of this in here. And then I'm just gonna lightly mix it up a little bit. I also like to add in a little bit of vanilla. Just like a dash. And then I just mix this up when it's dry, just a tiny bit. And then I just cover it with plant milk. So I usually use soy milk, but I've used homemade almond milk and it's really, really good. So then at the very end, I just like to add the rest of the blended berries on top, but you could add the fly. You could add fresh berries too. I just like to do it on the top and the bottom because it makes it look really fancy, and I'm a fancy kind of girl, I guess. I don't know. Like, I just like stuff to look nice. So just add it on top. You can like push it down and make all these like cool effects with it if you want, but it's really full, so I'm not gonna do that. So then all we're gonna do is just put a lid on it and let this sit in the fridge overnight. I like to make a lot of these at a time, so it's really easy to make like tons of different flavors with these. You can make, like I like to do raspberries on the bottom and make like a chocolate oats. So I'm just gonna pop this in the fridge and then we'll get on to the next recipe.